Hey traders, XRP in the house. We're going to have a look at XRP. For me personally, out of all the markets out there, personally when it comes to cryptos, for me, for some reason, I like XRP the best. I don't know why. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade based on what you see in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause massive losses. There's no guarantees of making money in the markets. And trading successfully long term takes a good 6 to 12 months on working consistently at a plan for you to get better and better. So this will not make you rich, this video, but it'll give you a bit of an education to see what's going on. Let's get straight into it. Right now, we're looking at our 15-minute chart. 15-minute charts really has started to move up here. Let's go back to that daily chart, right? Because I'm looking for something. I'm looking for a crypto. I'm looking for a cryptocurrency for me to sink my teeth into for a long-term buy and hold, right? So what I'm seeing right now, what are we looking here on the daily chart? Pretty much ugly, right? It's like small bars on the downside, small bars, big up bar through here, bit of a double bottom. And then you can see we had this big rise back up through here. So that's actually really interesting. Look at that pattern there. Look at that pattern, a sort of big double bottom, and then a big rise. So that actually, that actually happened just recently. Actually, last week it actually happened on the Dow Jones, but on the 1 minute chart. Very interesting. That's very pattern. The exact same thing happened. So we've got a spike up to 80 cents, and we come back down. We're creating some sort of a higher low through here, aren't we? We've got a bit of a double bottom. We've got a major higher high up here. Major high, and now we've come down and made major high low, haven't we? So this actually could be some sort of major bottom through here. And what is this here? Bullish. This is a bullish reversal, a bearish reversal. Oh, means we should go down. A bullish reversal. Okay. That doesn't matter anyway. So we're looking at that right now, right? And let's squeeze this chart up, see what else we can see through here. Now we notice, right? Especially when we're looking at what we're looking at. When you're looking at XRP, right, look at this here. Look at this here, right? Big up move. So XRP got slammed the most, didn't it? So people that hold XRP, it got slammed the most. More than what? More than, say, Bitcoin didn't it? So we have a higher low through here. Does it actually, what we need now for an uptrend, right? We need this market to start getting a nice, I'd want to see a nice big breakthrough on here for me to start to get into some sort of a trade through here, right? Because now we have a major higher low, and I'd like to see a nice big breakout bar through here that's showing me this is now likely to follow through. So let's go have a look at this weekly chart. By the way, guys, this is the first time I'm looking at XRP in a few weeks, so I'm just seeing where it is right now for myself because I want to be part of it. So if I have a look at XRP right now, and God, that looks good, doesn't it? Damn, that's so good. Look at that, guys. Small bar, big bar, and boof, run. Golly, that looks good, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. If you guys haven't seen my Bitcoin video that I did today, go check out Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin's doing something very similar to this, where we're getting sideways small bars for quite some time. Wait for that weekly breakout bar. It's going to go ballistic. Anyway, I'm excited. Trading is simple. It's easy. It's fun, isn't it? So what do we have through here? Let's actually go through and let's actually have a quick look through here. What's really going on through here? So for starters, let's actually squeeze this chart up as much as possible. For starters, what do we see here? Firstly, we see what? Let's actually bring up a horizontal trend line. And we can see that this level through here, I'd have to say somewhere around about that level through there, which was indeed what? Which was indeed a support level, which is around that level. You can see all this resistance through here. It did come down and find a lot of support, didn't it? And then a big up bar through here. So we still are creating this lower high through here, but this higher low could be some sort of change in trend. So now we can see also, what do we have? We also have another higher low through here, right? We have another support level through here. So this ran up, came down, found support, found a lot of support. Now look what's happening through here, right? We're finding a lot of support, running back up, and now we're coming here. Looks like we're creating some sort of a higher low, but we're creating this, still got this major lower high, don't we? So we need this here to start breaking above really 80 cents to start getting some sort of change in trend. So that's what I'm seeing there, a bit more of a long term there. If we start to zoom in a bit more, then I'm going to go to, so I'm just going to get a trend line. I'm going to draw a trend line from there to there. And as you can see, right, look what's happening right now as well too on XRP. We're starting to what? We're starting to get a break above this. Now, this doesn't mean it's going to completely change in trend, guys. So don't go out and start to buy it right now. But it's just showing, right, that we had support through here. We had support through here. It did actually break down, didn't it? It broke down to support and held it. And now we're breaking back above it. And now we're holding strong here. So that tells me that this whole area through here, can I get something else going on through here? Let's see what else I got through here. I'm looking for circles or something like that. Rectangle here. There we go. So that tells me this whole section through here could indeed be one big false breakout before we start to move the high side, right? Low, lower low, lower low, move down, it just went sideways. Now we pop back up to the upside, and now we're holding this level here. So if we get a nice break above here, especially on the weekly chart, well, guess what? That could be the start of a nice move back on XRP and move to the upside. Makes sense? So we could see this level through here. That could be some sort of a short-term break in trend. Now, once again, guys, we can see what's happening through here, can't we? Now, if I go back to my daily chart now, and we can see what's going on through here, now you can really see what's going on, right? You can see how this market came down. This whole level through here looks like on that weekly chart, one big false breakout. We broke back above this resistance line that came down. Now we're testing it as support, and now we're holding it through here. So if we get a nice break up and above this level through here, then that tells me we're now likely to start seeing this thing rally back up. And if we, especially we can start breaking above that 60 cent level and get it close above there, that tells me now this is now a let's do this thing through here. Right, that tells me now we're getting ready for a nice move up. So, but I definitely would like to see for more of a longer term play on this one. I definitely want to see that weekly bar close, have a nice weekly up bar, and then I'd like to get in there with a stop below the low, have my risk in place, and then just let it go for quite some time. Makes sense? So, for me personally, I'm not gonna if I'm looking to get in on this on a swing play. I mean, I'm looking to buy and hold for quite some time, but I still want to have my risk in place. So that's what I'm looking at there right now. We're starting to get a lot of bullish activity right now on XRP, and it's something that I actually really like. So yeah, guys, that's what I see about XRP. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.